Hey everyone! I have got to blow dry my hair, but I thought I would... Why did I start with I've got to blow dry my hair? Like, that's not an interesting fact. Anyway, I thought I'd film another vlog today. I am going to head to my high street and get some bits and bobs for like Christmassy decor. Check out the Christmas trees in Lidl because they've got total Christmas tree bargains, and get my nails done. So it's kind of a festive day. I thought I would, yeah, just take you guys along with me. I've got to shoot some, well, make some content with these sparkle dresses that I was sent from a swapping app called New, which is amazing. I'm going to leave a link down below. But basically what you do is upload your old stuff, you get given a token that you can use to then swap for someone else's things on the app. So all you pay for is the delivery, and so the person buying will PayPal you the delivery for it. So yeah, or you pay the delivery if you're the person buying. But it's a really great, yeah, swapping app, which is a little bit different and fun. So I'll show you these when I put them on anyway, because they're really cool. And yeah, so I thought I'd get out all my Christmas decorations I've got already as well, just to see what we've got. I know we need lights, and we also need a Christmas tree stand, but I'm just not sure what Christmas tree we're getting just yet. So we need to figure that out before we, before I buy any like lights and stand and all that sort of thing. But I thought I'd just go check out, I want to check out Tiger and Wilko's and check what's in those guys. We did have a pound shop in Putney, but that's now gone, which is very sad. But I'm gonna check out, Tiger was like where I want to head to, and then I'm gonna do some Christmas present shopping in a little Korean shop that we've got as well. So yeah, a whole little bunch of things I need to pull together I need to pull together and sort. So yeah, very exciting day. So I thought I would bring you along with me. I thought I could start my day by actually just getting out all the Christmas stuff I've already got and showing you what I've got already, so what we've got to play with. I can't really remember what I've got either. And I thought, yeah, like, I want to change my sheets and put the Christmassy bedding on them and that sort of thing. So like, festive up the place, you know? Festive it up. Well, we'll see if in this vlog I end up getting the tree. Fingers crossed we do end up getting a tree at some point in this vlog. But yeah, a little festive number for you. A little festive number. But first, coffee. First things first, I got my Santa mug out. How cute is he? He's from Anthropology. He was my, I think, a Christmas present a few years ago. He's so cute, so cute. So it has reached lunchtime and I've been honestly so busy. I am having wasabi sushi for lunch because we went to Wasabi last night and I got a, what are they called? What are they called? Too Good To Go bag for a £5. And Pete's taken one of the bits for lunch and I've left with this quite happily. And I've also got some veggie gyoza as well, so I'm going to make those into like a plain noodle soup for lunch tomorrow, so very excited about that one. But yeah, so this is my lunch, which is pretty smashing actually. He's literally mixed some bits and bobs up, taken some of these and popped others in. He's such a little freak. I love that for him. But yeah, because I don't like certain things, he likes certain things, so yeah, I'm very excited to eat this. So I've just done a whole bunch of Christmas shopping online. Got a few bits. There's a few bits I want to pick up from TKmaxx and a Korean shop in, oh, that spot. Oh, yeah, gross. I need to cover that up because that's going to make me feel insecure. Oh, just the reality of being a girl. Yeah, the Korean shop in my high street. I'm going to go there as well and get some bits and then try and get my nails done as well. Hopefully they have space. We'll see. We'll see. Just got nails. But yeah, that is what I want to do. Now I've had some lunch, just get on with it. I'm really excited to go around the shops actually, and see what there is. That's better. Let's go. So I think I'm gonna go for this pine needle and cedarwood diffuser to swap up our diffusers. Yeah, I think that's the yummiest. I want like a Christmas tree smelling one. I also went and lifted the Christmas tree in Lidl, and I think I could carry it home on my own, so that might be happening. Hi guys! The lighting is so bad in here. I wanted to film some more content as well. It's just so dark out and it's only like 3 o'clock. It's mental. So I just got back from the shops. I think we have decided on doing a small potted Christmas tree this year, and then we're gonna try and like be a little bit sustainable and keep it on our balcony and see if we can use it again next year, and I'm gonna try and keep it alive. I just think that'd be something really like fun to do for the rest of the year, and then knowing that we can try and use that Christmas tree again next year. So they're about like, it's so high, like about half my body height, I'd say, and I'm trying to think where we're gonna put it, but we need to get it first. Once it's in the room, I can decide where I think we're gonna put it, but I'm not really sure yet. Yeah, but I did pick up a poinsettia from Sainsbury's, so I'm gonna redecorate this coffee table here, and I'll show you how I end up doing that. I'm going to actually decorate the Christmas tree with, what's this called? Gypsophilia, Christmas gypsophilia. So these have got like gold, silver, and then a red. So our theme is like gold and red this year. So the silver's a bit off, but I just thought they were so pretty. And I'm going to use these as like part of the Christmas decoration on the tree. So you will see that in this video. I'm going to try and convince Pete to, I can't carry it, it's too heavy on my own. So try and convince Pete to go with me to get it tonight. Ooh. I also don't know what I can show you from here because it's a lot of Christmas presents. Got my boyfriend a Christmas present. Then I went to the little Korean shop, and I've got a Secret Santa at my new job. So I messaged the girls I know that work at my new job to see what she would like, and I got her a pair of socks. We only got a £5 budget, and then I got like these pastel highlighters, because if you work in fashion buying, you know, highlighting is a thing. So I thought it was cute to like get her, like it's just a nice little like £5 gift. I did pick up some other bits and bobs in there as well, but I can't show that. So yeah, and then I picked up from Tiger, I picked up some bags. So there's 3 different types of Christmas bag. These are all so pretty. I think I'm gonna do the Santa for probably for Pete, and then these 2 for Laura and her boyfriend. Very, very cute. And then also some brown wrapping paper as well, which is really nice. Brown wrapping paper, all from Tiger. And I picked up some brown twine as well, I think. Twine. Brown, yeah, like brown jute string as well, because I thought that'd be nice to wrap the presents. And then, yeah, the other, oh no, I've got one other thing that's not a gift. I picked up a reed diffuser that is pine needle and cedarwood, so hopefully that smells lovely and festive for the flat. And yeah, so I need to basically put all the presents that I don't want people to see into, I kind of think I should just wrap them, because basically I'm having everyone over for my birthday, so if they're here they're going to see the presents, so I should probably just wrap them realistically. And I thought while we're down here, I'm gonna try and move all this stuff out of the way for now. We would get out all the old Christmas stuff and see what we've got to use to decorate the flat. So, oh yeah, so I did, this is like newish. I picked up these super soft like pillow covers, and they've got like holly all over. So I'm going to change the bed today and get those put onto it. And just use, we've got like a green Anthropology bedspread that is just so nice, and I feel like that's the one I'm going to use. And then probably just have these as like a little Christmas accent. And I do have a full-blown Christmas bedspread, I think, at my mum's house, so I should probably go and get those as well. This is all empty. I've got these salt and pepper shakers that are a Christmas bear, a Christmas polar bear and a Christmas penguin. So they're coming out for sure. Who's messaging? Don't know. I've then got, that's everything out, I think. This used to have loads of Christmas spice candles in it, but I'm not sure where they've all gone. Oh, look, there's some there. Perfect. So we've got 3 there. These things smell unreal, honestly, they're amazing. Cool, okay, what else do we have in this bag of joy? I have loads of baubles, but I don't know what Pete's done with them. He was like moving things around in here, but we'll find those in a minute. So what have I got in here? So, I think that's my Easter decorations. Anything Christmassy in here? No, that is my Easter decorations. Oh, I've got this. This is a good start. A like Christmas tree wreath. What do you call this? Not wreath. Like, what's the word for this? I forget, but it's definitely going up at some point because it's so cute. I'm probably going to hang it over that painting or something. Here we go. There's Christmas stuff. So I've got, I think I've got 2 of these. They're like penguin tea light holders. They're from Poundland a few years ago. So cute. Let me see if I've got another. I'm sure I've got another one. Yeah, I do. Here it is. So cute, these. I'm going to make a little decoration with them and a poinsettia, I think. Then I've got, oh yes, a little Christmas napkin holder to go with the, oh my god, so cute. Stop, I forgot about this. Christmas napkin holder. That was a couple of years old as well. More tea lights. They've obviously just fallen all out into this bag. That's the Valentine's thing. And that's I don't know what the rest in here are. Oh, a little Christmas decoration. Then some more stuff wrapped up. Oh, I've got a snowman as well. And he's got one of the fake tea lights in. I don't think that works anymore. I'm sure it doesn't. Let's have a go. Oh no, it does. Cute. Okay, cool. Got that. We've got the snowman version as well. Did I have 2 of him or was it just 1 of him I had? So, oh, I've got this little pink house as well. I'm going to cut out a lot of this unwrapping because it's probably not very interesting. Little house. What else? More tea lights. I think that's everything. Yeah, that is everything. Christmas. Oh no, we've got a few more decorations here. But otherwise, yeah, that is everything. All the other seasonal decor back in. That is a good amount of stuff though. I've definitely got, I need to find them, but there's definitely some decorations I bought more recently in here as well that can go on the tree. But yeah, I've got a little one that says Ellen that my friend Amy made. So cute. And then some wings and a, what do you call this? Snowflake, that's the word. As well, which all go with the theme, which is good. So yeah, I've kept some continuity. And I'm going to have to find the, where has he put those? These, so I've got small baubles that might be more relevant now we're getting a small tree. And then I did buy some like bigger ones as well, but I'll get those out. I'll see if they'll become useful. We do need to get some lights. And then also, we do have a few other little bits and bobs that we've bought more recently. If you watched my other videos, I got a Peter Rabbit ornament. This is so cute, honestly. This could stay out all year round, which was, Pete was like, this could definitely stay out all year round. It's so cute. He has got a sparkly little jacket on though, which I guess makes him more festive. Little Peter Rabbit. Can you see? Oh, he's so cute. I'm so excited to have him. Ow, he's literally dropping glitter everywhere. Oopsie. And then we've got one from Harrods as well, which is beautiful. This absolutely gorgeous. This is definitely going to be the centerpiece of the tree. Gold robin. So stunning. But yeah, I think these are all going to go really beautifully together. I just need to figure out where we're putting said tree. And yeah, I will I'll show you once I've done a little bit of decorations. Good morning, morning. It is day 2 of this vlog, which is going to be the last day of this vlog. I'm not going to make it too long and crazy, but I am, yeah, making myself a morning smoothie because I didn't have one yesterday and I missed it, I must say. So that is the to-dos for this morning, and then I've got some stuff I need to film for a brand called New, so I'm going to do that and then I'm going to continue with the Christmas shenanigans. Okay, so look at my hair. The tree is here. Got to figure out where I want to put it. I think I want to put it there, but I actually think it might be too big. I'm gonna have to do some moving around and shuffling. Some moving and some shuffling and figure out where I can put it, but I'll put you on a time lapse for the time being. So it actually fits there really nicely. Question, will these drop on their own or do I have to push them down? Because I'm currently having a bit of an allergic reaction to the tree. So I don't really want to do it myself, but I'm hoping it will just fall on its own. If it doesn't, Pete's gonna have to sort that later because my hands are so frigging itchy. I need to go wash them stat, but yeah, I think that's the spot. We've hit a disappointing reality that I'm fully allergic to the Christmas tree, so Pete is gonna have to do all the decorating. I've put one set of lights on. I'm gonna go pop, they're £1.50 from Wilko's, pop and get another set of lights because it's not enough. This is actually bigger than I was expecting. But obviously I can't put them on because I don't know if you're able to see, but I'm having hives. So they've gone down quite a bit in the past hour, so I'm hoping they're not burning. It was so painful. So I'm not touching that tree again. Let's get some better light. I'm not touching that tree again. So Pete is gonna have to do the decorating because no, not touching it. I'm not touching it. It was too painful. But it looks cute there. I don't know if it's gonna drop. I just Googled and it said you have to water it every single day as well. So we'll see if I live my dream of keeping this alive till next year. I also feel like Pete might need to move the PlayStation because I'm worried pine needles are gonna drop into the PlayStation. So he's got lots of jobs to do this evening, and he took the wrong lunch I made him. He's just, you know, not a happy boy with him. But yeah, I've just made myself some lunch. I've made the most comforting, yummy lunch. It's like a ramen, but I've put dumplings in it. So it's like I don't think it's a ramen, I'm sure it's like a dumpling soup basically. And then I've like cracked an egg in it to give it like extra protein and a big chunk of wholesomeness, but I'm letting it cool down because it's so hot. But this is one of my favourite super easy lunches. Got like mushrooms and pat choy and noodles, and I'm just watering thinking about eating it. That is how I like my food to be. Hi guys. Oh, actually I don't want that light on. No. The day has come. We are finally decorating the tree. I'm getting all the fairy lights on to make it cute in here. As we've seen in this video, I can't actually touch the tree because it gives me cute. I can't actually touch the tree, so Pete's gonna have to decorate it for us. And I've got my Christmas PJs on. Oh my god, I didn't get to open my advent calendar today. Do you know what? December, man, it's my favourite time of year. But yeah, so we are gonna decorate the tree. And I'm just gonna stick to my time lapse while we do it. So the Christmas tree is done! And it looks amazing. So I'm just gonna sign this vlog off here. I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll catch you in my more festive content.